Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Reshine Hair. They sent me over this 20-inch glueless curly wig and it is so freaking beautiful. I installed this wig in 4 minutes. No joke. I literally installed it while I was on TikTok and making this video. It was so quick. So the videos are a bit quicker now because obviously it's so fast to put it on. And I'm going to be giving away this wig, so make sure you leave your comments down below to enter. I want to show you guys what came in their packaging. This is their box. It comes in this pretty box. As soon as you see this box, you already know it's Reshine. And then you open it like this. Lashes. A wig cap and a pamphlet. So if you want to get you one of these quick wigs to put on, I'll have Reshine Hair links in my description box so you guys can get this exact wig. It's giving life. Let's get right into this video. There's no combs on the inside of the wig. It comes with an elastic band. It looks like this. I put no foundation in the lace yet, so let's see. This fits. Wow. Hold on, I need to put some foundation on the lace. It's too light. Ruby Kisses number 15. The lace is already pre-cut and everything. It kind of has like a squiggly line, but it's okay. Okay, it's soft. Make sure you guys wash your wig before you put it on. It makes a total difference having it be washed. I'm going to fix the part and then I'll come back. Using a wax stick. Ruby Kiss number 11. Fix that part. And then I'm gonna take some mousse. And just tame the top. Okay, I'm gonna make this dry down, and then I'll come back. Just making sure that the edges look good. I'm gonna put a little bit of mousse. On the hairline. Okay, this is how quick and easy it is to put this wig on. Super simple, super quick, glueless, easy. You can lift it up off your head, literally. What more can you ask for? Tell me this wasn't the quickest wig you ever put on in your life, or the quickest hair video you've ever seen. This is to tell you, this is like low maintenance. You don't even have to do much. When you wake up in the morning and you're running a little late, this is the wig that you pull and run out the door with. So pretty. It comes pre-plucked, pre-cut, and everything for you. All I did was wash the wig and air dry it, and it's nice and soft. You could tell it's soft. And I love that it's not sticking together. So pretty. If you guys want to win this wig, make sure you leave your comments down below and you'll be entered into my Friday's giveaway. And check my community tab to see if you won. Thank you guys so much for checking me out. Make sure you guys check out Reshine Hair. I will leave all their details down below if you guys want to purchase this wig. And if you guys just want to check out other wigs on their website, all the information will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for supporting me, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye!
Young ho, y'all know when the flow is loco. Young B and the ROC. OG, big homie, the one and only. Stick bony, but the